In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up and restore games in the Steam application. So the first thing you need to do is just launch up Steam and then head over to the library tab in the top navigation. Now from the left hand side, select the game that you want to back up. For this demonstration, I'll just be using VR Chat, but you can use any of the games in this list. Then what we're going to do is right click on your game, click on Properties, and then select Installed Files from the left hand side. Now in order to create a backup, you just need to press the Backup Game Files button, and then select where you want to save this file to by selecting Browse. And I'm just going to save it over in my desktop and press Select Folder, and then finally press Create Backup. So you'll just need to give this a few minutes while it backs up all of your game files and data, and once that's finished we can then close out of this window. Now in order to restore your game files, what you need to do is click on Steam in the top left hand side and then press Restore Game Backup, and from here you just need to locate the folder that we just created. So click on Browse. I saved mine over in my desktop, so I'm just going to select this VR Chat folder like so, click on Select Folder and then press Restore Backup and select Install, and that's going to go ahead and restore all of your game files and folders. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.